welcome back to another video. I am so happy to be back. I know you guys are like, girl, where have you been? So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little update on what I've been up to, why I have not been uploading. So if you're interested in seeing what I've been up to, what I've been doing, what's to come, just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so let's first talk about the elephant in the room. Where have I been? So you guys, most of you guys know, I think I announced it either on Instagram or on YouTube. I was involved in a car accident, like a really bad car accident back in December of 2022. So since then, I've been having a lot of health issues, like with my back. I've been having chronic back pain, and then most recently, I've been having issues with my stomach. So I just have not been in the best of health, mentally and both physically. So I just have not been in a space to really hop on and record, just because I just have not been in the right mind space and health. Also, baby Y, you guys, has not been sleeping the last couple of weeks. We went to countless appointments with his doctor, tried everything under the sun. He has not been sleeping, you guys. And if you guys know how Tyler's are, he is 2, he'll be 3 in August. They're something else, you guys, especially these COVID babies. They just do what they want to do. You know, you kind of have to work around their schedule. And so he has not been sleeping. He's been up all night, sporadically sleeping throughout the day. So I've been honestly, I've just been sleep deprived. So I have not been in the best space physically, mentally, to record, and I've just really been exhausted. So I have not been able to record, just because I just have not been having a lot of sleep, enough time to really focus on recording and doing any home projects. On top of that, I've taken the time to kind of get my health back together. Me and my husband have been doing a lot of reconnecting, because he is gone again all week. He does drive trucks, so he's gone all week long. So most of the time I'm here with the kids by myself all week long, unless he takes off. So we have to make time for us to spend time together as well. So we've been doing a lot of little date nights, just kind of reconnecting, making sure we're kindling and we're still good as well, which we've really enjoyed. I've been getting dressed, we've been going out. So it's been a nice needed break for us to kind of reconnect, make sure we work on our marriage, and also make sure the kids are good. So I'm happy that I had that time to kind of get that done. But I'm back. I'm ready to take on some more projects. So most recently, I've been working on the living room. That's where I'm at now. I showed you guys the couch, I think in a couple videos back. It's still holding up pretty good, even though baby Wide is a savage, you guys. So I do have to kind of spot clean it, but it is performance fabric, so it's been holding up pretty good. I'll show you guys kind of how I cleaned it and what I used to clean the couch to keep it clean. But so far it's been holding up pretty good. Now everybody's like, girl, you are crazy. You have a 2-year-old at home. Why do you have a white couch? You're crazy. It's been holding up pretty good, you guys, so I won't complain. The material is really good. On top of all that, you guys, baby Y broke my camera a couple of months back. I told you guys, he a savage. He broke my camera. He knocked it. Now he was trying to grab it off the kitchen counter, and he dropped it inside of a pot I was cooking. So I had to actually wait for a replacement camera to come. I sent it off to Canon. Well, my husband told me to send it off to Canon. We sent it to Canon. They ended up saying they couldn't fix it, which is too damaged. So we ended up sending me a new camera. So we had to end up paying a huge amount to get a new camera. So I had the new camera a couple of months, but again, I just have not been in a space to record. So I am back. I'm happy to be back as well, you guys. I'm so excited to kind of get back into the groove of things and start kind of making more content, because I really do love making videos, sharing my home with you guys. That's really one of my passions. So I'm excited to be back. So if you want to see what I've done to the living room, which is where I'm working at now, all the updates I'm doing here, just keep on watching. Also, we're gonna be tackling the hall bathroom in a couple of videos coming up. So if you're interested in seeing a bathroom, a remodel or renovation, that's coming down the pipeline as well. So that's gonna be in the next couple of videos. I've already started sourcing all the materials and all that kind of good stuff. I'll show you guys some of that on the next video. But for so far, we're working that's primarily in the living room right now. So if you want to kind of see what I've been up to in the living room, what the changes I've been making, there's some pretty major changes we've done in the living room. If you want to kind of see what that looks like, what I've been doing, where everything is from, just keep on watching. Hey you guys, I am about to do my living room and kitchen a little bit of a deep clean. I need to clean my couch, and I also need to mop in the living room and dining room, and also baby Wise's room, y'all, because his room is like the nastiest room in the house. And then we're gonna be doing like the console table refresh as well in this video, so I may do that later on. Right now I'm just cooking dinner, making the kids, I'm making CJ some shrimp and sausage Creole, and then Wise probably gonna eat like some mac and cheese because he doesn't like Creole. So I'm just doing a little bit of like spot cleaning. That's what we're doing today. So I poured me a little glass of wine, y'all, because I had a long day at work. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting the Creole on, and have that go ahead and start simmering, and then we'll go ahead and we'll clean the couch. I'll show you guys like how the couch is holding up, and then we'll kind of mop and sweep as well. Then we'll do the console table refresh at the end of the video. So I hope I can get all that done today. If not, we'll probably pick up tomorrow, but fingers crossed we get all that done today. Let's go ahead and get to work, and let me go ahead and get dinner on, and I'll show you guys the couch, like the spots. It's been holding up pretty good, but I'll show you guys how I clean that as well in a little bit. So I'll catch you back in a few minutes. All right, so let me show y'all how dirty this couch is. Like baby Wyatt, look at y'all. See that? He killing me, y'all. Look, he is driving me insane. So I'm gonna take all the cushions off the couch and give it a good clean on. I'm gonna show you guys what I use. I just use some spots, some stain remover, and some stain remover, and then a wet white towel. I'm gonna go and clean it all off, and I'm gonna spray it. Because I haven't sprayed it before, I'm gonna spray it down with some of this Scotch Guard. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the cleaning. That baby Y has gotten up, so I may not even be able to get a chance to get a good clean on me, but we'll see, because he may try to mess with my camera. So we'll see. So let me go ahead and take all the cushions off, get my towel wet with some warm water, and then we're gonna go ahead and get a couch to clean and spray it all down. So fingers crossed he lets me do that, y'all. We'll see.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos, just a remedy.
I'm gonna buy me one of those little bitty Bissell furniture, like a fabric cleaners. I saw that on sale for Amazon Prime today, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop on. I want to say I saw it for $88. I'm gonna go ahead and hop on and purchase one of those, just cause I feel like it to come in handy. I'd be having to do like the hand wipe. I can just use a little Bissell machine and knock it right out. So it's really good. I got really clean compared to what I thought it was gonna look like. Anyway, so let me show you guys. I picked up, well actually I ordered a while ago, maybe about 3 weeks ago. I ordered me some clip-ins, so I take these braids out. I'm pretty much rocking my natural hair during the winter time, so I picked up some clip-ins from Curl Queens. Let me show you guys like what color I picked up. I'm out of breath. Oh, that wore me out. Alright, y'all, so let me show you. So this is what for one, let's start. I heard a lot of good things about the company, y'all, but this shipping is ridiculous. It took a long time like to come. So anyway, the packaging is not, I guess it's supposed to look like this, but this is the packaging. It's from Curl Queens. So let's see what it looks like. I'm just gonna unbox it. I can't wait to take these braids down. Well, I'm really liking the braids because it's more convenient me working out, but when I get ready with my natural hair in the wintertime, I can just add like some color and just some volume and length with the clip-ins, because I like it with my natural hair when it's cold. So it came with this little package here, and then inside it comes with this cute little reversible bonnet. I thought it was super cute. Cannot wait to when it has like a little drawstring attached to it. And then it came with this Curl Queens brush, which is super cute. And then some extra little clip-ins. So that's what came inside of this little baggie. Little baggie. And then the bundle, the clip-ins themselves came in this little Curl Queens bag. And it had like a thank you card and then like some care instructions. And let's see what they look like. Alright, and I got the balayage. I'm just feeling this color all of a sudden. I don't know why. You don't know the other ones, right? So I got the balayage color, and I got the light yaki. This is what they look like, y'all. So freaking thick. I cannot wait to put these in. I may end up getting a little color on my hair, maybe, possibly. But yeah, this is what they look like. You guys can see. But I'm super excited to try these clip-ins. It's gonna look really good. It's almost like similar to this. No, not really. But anyway, it's like a balayage color, but super cute, and I got it in the light yaki. So I'm super excited about these. I'm gonna try these once it gets cold and I start wearing my natural hair again. So yeah, the packaging is super cute. It's not sponsored. I purchased these on my own a while ago, y'all, but they're just not showing up. So I'm gonna put these up. So when I get ready to use them, when it gets cold, I'm gonna take them out, wash them. I may end up taking them to the shop with me and letting my stylist that does my natural hair put them in for me. Show me how to put them in properly. Anyway, so let me put these up real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna pop up a picture of my inspiration picture, like right here, of what I'm going for the console table. Something I found on Pinterest. I've been obsessed with this picture, so I'm gonna pop it up so you guys can see that. So this is the look that I'm going for. So I need to redo the glass panels in the front of the console table because these the cabinets I ended up purchasing did not have like the little cane in front of it. So I purchased the cane off Amazon. So let me see. Let me unwrap it too. Look, y'all. Sorry, I had to take that thing. Did not want to come off. I had to cut it off. But I bought some cane, which is this right here, to go in the front of it. I have to cut it down to size. And then I bought some twine to go around the edges. Let me show y'all what the console table looks like. So this is the console table here. No. I already have some extra decor I have in here. So I'm thinking about putting the cane inside of these panels and then trimming it out with that twine. But let me know in the comments, do you guys think I should leave it this way? Or do you think I should put the cane on? I'm going to try the cane on to see how it looks, because that's the original look that I was going for based on the inspiration picture. So you guys will be able to see that. But let's go ahead and take everything off the top of the console table. It's just stuff just kind of sitting here that I kind of have scattered around. We're going to go ahead and decorate the console table. No. Console table together. So.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love.
Alright, you guys, and here is the before clips of how it looked before we started changing out the furniture and all the pieces. It looks completely different than what it looked like before, and I'm super excited with how it's turned out so far. I've actually already ordered the coffee table as well. I'll show you guys that in another video. It just has not arrived yet, but that's gonna actually just give it a full, make it go full circle once the new coffee table comes in. And I mentioned to you guys earlier in the video that I have been having a lot of stomach issues. You guys can probably tell from the clips that I have gained a lot of weight. I have some issues with my GI, which has caused me every time I get ready to eat anything, or anytime I eat anything, any solid food, my stomach kind of swells up. So I am getting treatment for that, which is why you kind of see my stomach kind of bulge. And I've actually had somebody ask me if I was pregnant. I am not pregnant. I'm just having a lot of stomach issues. I'm trying to get that under control. But yeah, so this is the final look of the living room. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'll try to link everything that I can below in the comments. But you guys, it looks so good. I'm so excited and love how it's turned out so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.